Hi folks, I'm Andrei and this is the first tutorial of Learn Java for Beginners. One of the main things Java is so popular, it is its platform independence. This means you only have to write it once and it runs almost everywhere. On Windows, Mac, Linux, spaceships, satellites, mobile phones, wherever there is a Java virtual machine, and we'll get to that later. Another thing why Java is very popular is you'll find lots of tools and libraries that other developers written and open source them, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Probably someone already had the same problems as you, and you will easily find the solution to your problem. Also, there is a great community. As you can see in Stack Overflow, there are almost 1 million questions tagged with Java, so it is very easy to find a solution to your question. You have great development tools. This Intellij IDEA is one of the most advanced development tools ever, so refactoring and running tests and whatever you can think about is done very easy. And the last thing, you will find lots of jobs once you know Java. Here is just one search engine for jobs, and as you can see there are lots of jobs. So let's get started. This is a Windows machine, but if you have Linux you can just go ahead and skip to the next video. First thing we need to do is to download the JDK, which means a Java Development Kit, and this is done very easy. Just write in Google download JDK. I have a clean Windows here now, Windows 10, and it will take us to the Oracle page. Let's agree, and just click the download JDK and select the one matching your computer. Okay, once we download the JDK, let's go ahead and install it, and just click OK next to whatever questions they ask. While we are waiting for the JDK to be installed, you can go ahead and download the Intellij IDEA, which will be our Java code editor. So just write in Google Intellij with 2L download. And Intellij has many products. You will want to download the Intellij IDEA. And the community edition, which is free. Now that we installed Java, let's go ahead and install our editor. I'll put mine directly in C. And let's go ahead and run it. You don't have a previous version installed, I like to use a darker theme because it's better for my eyes, but if you prefer to use a lighter one, go ahead and choose a lighter one. I'll choose a dark one. Now for the default plugins, just leave everything checked. Yeah, you can try to disable some of them, but just to be more easy, leave everything and click start using Intellij. Now the first time you're going to start it, it will be a little bit slower, but next time it will run much faster. Now you want to create a new project. And from here select Java, and you see the project SDK is not configured. Click new, choose JDK, and point it to the location where Java is installed. And it should appear 1.8 Java version. It could be higher in your case if you're watching this tutorial after some time. Click next, click next. Now I like to put my projects in C in workspace, but you can put them in your documents or whatever other place you decide. And let's name this tutorial 1 and click finish. Now the moment you start this project, you will see tip of the day here. You can take a little bit of time to browse through everything, but we will cover most of them, these productivity tips. So let's close it for now. So now that we have our IDE starting, you see it's doing some background job, and here it says that if you want the project view, you have to press Alt and 1. And this is our first project. Now in our next tutorial we are going to write our first program. So see you on tutorial number 2.